everyone, I'm Apple, and this is my first video. I'm gonna go acapella on Abilene. Here we go. I think. Hope y'all like it and subscribe. Have you ever reached the rainbow end? Didn't you find your pot of gold? Ever catch a shooting star? Tell me, how high did you soar? Ever felt like you were dreaming, just to find that you're away, and the magic that surrounds you can lift you up and guide you on your way? I can see it in the stars across the sky. Just 100,000 dreams